Hey guys, welcome to Unit 9 for Calculus while we online learn. I'm just showing you right now the calendar for what this unit is going to look like. It's a pretty short unit. We're going to finish it before we leave for spring break. So if you look at this calendar, it's kind of like what I've done for every unit so far. Today, on Monday the 23rd, we are going to look at net change. So from the unit packet that I have attached, it's going to be pages 1 and 2. Okay. Then on the 24th, on Tuesday, you're going to have a video lesson on the second day of net change. After that lesson is over, there will be a concept check just to see if you are understanding what we're doing. And that material is going to be on pages 3 and 4 of your packet. On block day, okay, whether you want to do that on Wednesday or whether you want to do it on Thursday, I'll have it up for both of those days for you. We are going to look at the second part of this unit, which is 9.2, which is called Area Between. That's going to be covered on pages 5 through 7. And then Friday is going to be a catch-up day, so if there's something you didn't get finished from this week, no matter what class it is, this is the day for you to catch up. If you've got it all done, then you get a Wellness Friday, so enjoy it. Hopefully it'll be sunny. Next week, on Monday the 30th, we are going to do the second day of Area Between, which is going to be pages 8 and 9 of your packet. And then on Tuesday, we're going to have the test review. Okay, these will be live, well, not live, but recorded video lessons by me, and that will be page 10. Then on the block day, that is when you will take your test. Okay, and then Friday, if you didn't finish any of that up, that's your catch-up day. That shouldn't be anything for you guys because your test has to be done either on Wednesday or Thursday. Okay, yes, it has to be done by 11:59 p.m. on April 2nd. So make sure you schedule that in so you get it done on time. So Friday the 3rd, you really shouldn't have anything to do for me, so that means for calculus, you already get to start your spring break. Okay, there is a password that you are going to need for something, so I will let you know what that is after I'm done talking to you. Hopefully this unit won't be too difficult. I do have a couple videos that are going to be posted kind of like I normally do on the page, the resource page, so feel free to check those out. I do want to show this to you. This, I want to make sure everybody understands and they are with us. It says, as with any test or quiz, you are not allowed to work with anyone else on the assessment, use cell phones, notes, or other resources while taking a quiz. North Forsyth High School has provided the following statement. This work is completely my own and is neither the work of someone else nor an unacknowledged outside source. I will not share my work or the content of any assessment with others. Guys, that is for any kind of online assessment. Okay, so you need to make sure you understand this, because when I ask for a password, I am asking you that you are agreeing to this statement right here, that you know that the work is your own, that you didn't work with someone else. Okay, it's just like a normal test if we did it in class. You don't get to talk to your friends. It is completely showing me what you know and what you do not know. Okay, that password that you're going to need is going to be rain. Okay, like it's going to rain outside. Okay, so when I'm talking about assessments, this concept check is not an assessment. This is just me checking your knowledge. I'm talking assessment as in your test right here. So that is something you need to make sure you know. You are not working with anybody else on this material. It is your work and your work alone. No notes, no computer sources, just what you know from what you've learned over the last 2 weeks. Okay, I will see you in the video lesson. Talk to you later.